Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at the X2T Canon trigger. The C stands for Canon. And let's see what's in this box. Okay, so we have... Okay, please don't ingest this, that's poison. That absorbs all the moisture from the boxes and packages, so yeah. Okay, we have the manual. And pride and joy. Come on. Okay, the Godox wireless trigger. It's she beautiful. Alright, so something to be very aware of. It uses two AA batteries, as you can see there. So these are the AA batteries that I'll be using. And you just insert them right there. Get the other one, put it right on the other side. Make sure they're in their original positions or most comfortable positions for them to work, or else you just blow yourself up. Alright, it should go on when you actually connect it to your camera. And one thing you also need to understand, like I mentioned before, this is a Canon version, and that's because of the pins that are found at the bottom correlate with the Canon camera that I have. But I'm pretty sure the version of the Canon should work with any camera because of how many pins it has at the bottom, which, you know, yeah, are compatible with most of them. So lock it up there so it doesn't shake or come off. Turn on the camera. Turn on the trigger and you should see the display light up, and you should be up and running. So now we can test it by firing the trigger, and just give it a sec. Alright, it's firing. As you can see, it's flashing up there. If you don't really see it right there, it flashes red. That's indicating that it's communicating with your body, camera body, so you should be good. So don't forget to subscribe and also like and share. And yeah, thanks for watching.